Are you ready to activate your GoProgram card? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Follow along and let's get your GoProgram card activated. Step 1. Visit the GoProgram website. Open your web browser and go to the official GoProgram activation page, www.goprogram.com. You'll be directed to a page where you can start the activation process. Step 2. Click on the Activate Card button. On the home page or the activation page, look for the button that says Activate Card. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Enter your card details. You'll be prompted to enter the card number. This can be found on the front of your GoProgram card. Enter the CVV code, 3-digit security code, located on the back of the card. Input your expiration date, MMYY format. Make sure all the details are correct before moving on. Step 4. Create a GoProgram account. If you don't have a GoProgram account, you'll be asked to create one. You will need to provide your name, email address, phone number, password for your account login. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Step 5. Verify your information. Once your account is created or you log in, verify that all the information you entered is correct. You may be asked to confirm your identity via an email or phone number verification. Step 6. Activate your card. After verifying your information, click the Activate button to finish the activation process. You should receive a confirmation message saying your card is now successfully activated. Step 7. Start using your GoProgram card. Once activated, you can now start using your GoProgram card for purchases, accessing benefits, and more. You'll also have access to your account dashboard where you can manage your card. If you encounter any issues during activation, make sure that your internet connection is stable. Double-check that all the information you entered is correct. If you still have problems, contact GoProgram customer support for assistance. And that's it. You've successfully activated your GoProgram card. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.